Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to use Pinterest search function to find trending ideas and topics. So now let's get started. First of all, go to the Pinterest app. Now go to the search bar and simply type keywords like F1 fashion, aesthetic outfits, and etc. Another thing you can do is simply go to your home page and scroll for inspiration and simply save trending pins to your boards. Another thing you can do is simply go to your explore bar and there see what's currently trending on Pinterest. You can also sort by pins, boards, or people for specific results. So this is how to use Pinterest's search function to find trending ideas and topics. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.